Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing Robin the Hood EA for MT4, and I'll be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, looking at the features and settings provided by the developer, and then discussing the historical backtest results and overall observations from the available information. Starting with the marketplace page, Robin the Hood EA is currently priced at 35 US dollars. The developer is Andre Kozak, and the version shown is version 3.0, updated on January 7th, 2025. According to the description, this is an automatic Forex scalping robot designed specifically for the GBPUSD currency pair on the M5 time frame. The developer states that the robot typically opens between 15 and 30 trades per day, depending on market activity. The EA is designed to automatically analyze the market, open positions, and manage them without manual intervention. The description also explains that trade management is handled through take profit, stop loss, and trailing stop functionality. These are important components because they define how positions are protected and how profits may be managed after a trade moves in the desired direction. One of the notable points highlighted by the developer is that the EA does not use martingale or grid trading techniques. That's something many traders specifically look for when evaluating automated systems, so it is useful information to have directly from the product page. Moving further down, the developer recommends trading GBPUSD and notes that the robot is intended for accounts starting from $1,000. The M5 time frame is specifically recommended, and there is also the ability to define the exact trading hours through the settings, allowing users to control when the EA is permitted to operate. The developer also outlines several operating requirements. These include maintaining low spreads, using an ECN broker when possible, and running the EA continuously, either on a VPS or on a computer that remains online around the clock. So looking at the settings section, there are quite a few customization options available. The volume ticks parameter acts as a signal filter and is used to measure sudden price movement activity. According to the description, if the market moves by the specified number of ticks, the EA can open a trade in the direction of that movement. The volume increase parameter works alongside volume ticks and influences how price changes are interpreted. The developer specifically recommends leaving this setting unchanged because of its importance to the system's behavior. Additional controls include stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop settings, along with a risk parameter that adjusts lot sizing relative to account balance. The developer provides an example showing how lot sizes scale automatically as account size increases. Another interesting setting is magnification ratio. According to the description, if a trade closes with only a small profit due to trading stop activity, this parameter increases the size of the following trade by a factor of 1.3 as a compensation mechanism. Users can also configure maximum spread limits, trading hours from hour 0 through hour 23, and notification settings and unique magic numbers for managing multiple EA instances on the same account. Now let us transition into the backtesting section. Okay. When reviewing historical backtest results, I always like to focus on how the EA behaved throughout the testing period rather than simply looking at the final profit figure. Historical testing performance can provide useful insight into trade frequency, position management, and how the system responded to different market conditions. Okay, now what we have here is tells us that initial deposit was $1,000, net profit was 12,250.4. The total trades taken were 2,675, out of which 1,469 were profitable. That gave us a 54.92% win rate. And then I can see that the largest profit here was just $30.01. Largest loss was $6.51. Average profit was $11.86, and the average loss was $4.28. Okay, in this case, the risk to reward ratio is actually good. The average risk to reward ratio is good, and I can see the balance curve is quite smooth, steady growth over time. Okay, it's pretty interesting. All right, so let's head over to our strategy tester right now. Let's see how the Robin the Hood EA performed on GBPUSD on the M5 time frame as recommended. I'm using the every tick model in testing over the past 3 months from March 20th to June 20th, 2026. Now, the initial deposit here is $10,000. Total net profit was negative $6.27. Total trades taken were just 8, out of which 7 were profitable, giving us an 87.5% win rate. Largest profit was $8.90. Largest loss was $32. Average profit $3.68. Average loss $32. This tells me that the risk to reward ratio in this case is also bad. Okay. Unlike what we saw here, where we had a good risk to reward ratio, but in this case it was bad. Anyways, perhaps market conditions, right? Anyways, let's just go turn on the visuals. Let us see how this EA looks like in action. So based on the information provided by the developer, the EA reacts to sudden price movement through measured through its tick-based filtering system. And based on what I can see here, actually the risk to reward ratio doesn't seem so good, right? I think the stop loss is a bit wider than the take profit, if I'm not mistaken. So the risk to reward ratio actually doesn't seem good, right? But let's just continue analyzing what we have observed, right? So the EA reacts to sudden price movements through its tick-based filtering system, and as we review the historical chart activity, we can be able to observe how trades were opened and managed using the predefined stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop mechanisms. The historical analysis may also provide insights into how the compensation parameter and risk settings influence trade progression during the tested period. However, it is important to remain within the information explicitly provided and avoid assuming additional strategy logic that isn't described by the developer. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. A broader testing period can help reveal behavior during varying volatility levels, changing spread environments, and different market structures. Looking at the historical testing performance overall, it is important to remember that backtest results represent historical analysis only. Future performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size configuration, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. Overall, Robin the Hood EA for MT4 is presented as an automated GBPUSD M5 trading system with configurable risk controls, trade management tools, spread filtering, and trading hour customization. As always, I recommend thoroughly testing and optimizing the EA in your own environment before considering live deployment, so you can determine whether its historical behavior aligns with your trading goals and risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.